Hello students, welcome back to my channel. So today let us continue with some more problems of cross multiplication method. Okay. So the first question is, Yash scored 40 marks in a test, getting 3 marks for each right answer and losing 1 mark for each wrong answer, and had been awarded 4 marks for correct answer and 2 marks been deducted for incorrect answer. Then Yash would have scored 50 marks. How many questions were there in the test? Okay, so first let us consider, let X be the right questions, okay, and Y be the incorrect or wrong answers. Okay, then total questions will be what? Total questions will be X plus Y, correct answers plus incorrect answers. Okay, and next he had been given 3 marks for right answers. So 3 into X plus losing 1 mark for incorrect answer. So minus 1 into Y, and he has scored how many marks? 40 marks. So this is the first equation. Okay, and second equation is 4 marks have been awarded for correct answer, that is 4 into X, plus 2 marks have been deducted for incorrect answers, and then he scored 50 marks. Okay, so from this the equations will be changed to 3x minus y is equals to 40. Okay, and other equation is 4x minus 2y is equals to 50. Okay, so now we have to solve this A and B, so that we will do it by cross multiplication method. Okay, so by cross multiplication method let us solve. What is the rule for solving cross multiplication method? 2, 3, 1, 2. Okay, so now x, y, 1. So 2 is nothing but minus 1 minus 2. At the end again we will get minus 1 minus 2. 3 is nothing but minus 40 minus 50. And 1 is nothing but 3, 4. So x by y by 1 by x by minus 1 into minus 50. Already we will get one minus here because it is from the bottom. Minus of minus 2 into minus 40 is equals to y by minus 40 into 4 minus, again one more minus we have, minus 50 into 3 is equals to 1 by 3 into minus 2 minus 4 into minus 1. So this will give you x by 50 minus 42 is 80 is equals to y by minus 160 plus 150 is equals to 1 by minus 6 plus 4. So from this x by minus 30 is equals to y by minus 10 is equals to 1 by minus 2. Okay, now we equate the x part and you will get the x value, equate the y part, you will get the y value. So that is x by minus 30 is equals to 1 by minus 2. From that x is equals to minus 30 by minus 12, minus minus gets cancelled, 2 1s 2 15s, so x is 15. Okay, now next one, y by minus 10 is equals to 1 by minus 2, y is equals to minus 10 by minus 2, 2 1s 2 5s, so that implies x is equal, y is equals to 5. So therefore right questions x, that is right questions are 15 and y wrong questions, that is 5, and total questions x plus y, which is equals to 15 plus 5, 20. So therefore he has attempted 20 questions in the test. Now the next problem, that is places A and B are 100 kilometers apart on a highway. Okay, one car starts from A and another from B at the same time. If the cars travel in the same direction at different speeds, they meet in 5 hours. What is the time? 5 hours. If they travel towards each other, they meet in 1 hour. What are the speeds of the cars? Okay, so for that, first let us consider speed of car A. Speed of car A is equals to x and speed of car B is equals to y. So now let us consider the first case, when they travel in same direction. When the cars travel in same direction. Okay, so that let us assume that A is one car, B is one car, both are meeting at the point P here. Okay, so now distance traveled by car A, will be what? What is the formula? Distance is equals to speed into time. Okay, so distance we are finding, so that will be, speed is nothing but x and time is given as 5 hours, so it will become 5x. Okay, similarly distance traveled by car B in 5 hours will be 5y. Here also distance is equals to speed into time. Okay, so now this is nothing but AP distance, this is nothing but BP distance. Okay, this is nothing but BP distance. Now the difference between them, that is AP minus BP, they are going to meet at the point P, that is 5x minus 5y is equals to 100. From that, x minus y will be equals to 20. Okay, I have taken 5 common and I have cancelled it, so then I will get it as x minus y is equals to 20. Okay, so now second case, that is when they travel in opposite direction. When they travel in opposite direction to opposite direction. Okay, so let us assume that these are the point A and this is the point B and this is the point Q where they are meeting. So the car is traveling in this manner and this car is coming in this manner. So distance traveled by this car A, that is AQ, is equals to x. Why? Because the time given here is 1 hour. So 1 into x will become 1. And similarly BQ, the distance traveled by car B, that is BQ, is equals to y. So now the meeting point will be x plus y is equals to 100. Okay, this is the second condition. Now we have to solve this first and second equation by using cross multiplication method. Okay, so by cross multiplication method. Okay, what is the rule for cross multiplication method? 2, 3, 1, 2. Okay, 2, 3, 1, 2 is the rule. So let us use the rule for solving these equations. Now, so the equations are x plus y minus 20 is equals to 0, and the second one is x plus y minus 100 is equals to 0. I think this is x minus y. Okay, x minus y is minus 20 is equal to 0, x plus y minus 100 is equals to 0. So now x by y by 1 by, so 2 first, that is minus 1, 1, minus 1, 1, 2, 3, minus 20, minus 100, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So then it will become x by minus 1 into minus 100 minus 1 into minus 20 is equals to y by minus 20 into 1 minus minus 100 into 1. This is equals to 1 by 1 into 1 minus 1 into minus 1. So from this we will get x by minus into minus will become plus 100, minus into minus will become plus 20 is equals to y by minus 20 plus 100 is equals to 1 by 1 minus 1 plus 1. Okay, that is x by 120 is equals to y by 80 is equals to 1 by 2. Equate these two will get x, equate these two will get y. That is x by 120 is equals to 1 by 2. Shift it this side. So x is equals to 120 by 2, 2 ones, 2 60s. So x is equals to 60 kilometer per hour. So therefore speed of car A is 60 kilometer per hour. Now for y, that is y by 80 is equals to 1 by 20. So y is equals to 80 by 20, 0 0 cancel. Oh, 80 by 2 it is, sorry. 80 by 2, 2 ones, 2 40s. So y is equals to 40 kilometer per hour. So therefore speed of car A is equals to 60 kilometer per hour, and speed of car B is 40 kilometer per hour. Okay. Now the last problem of this exercise, that is the area of a rectangle gets reduced 9 square units if its length is reduced by 5 units and breadth is increased by 3 units. Okay. If we increase the length by 3 units and breadth by 2 units, the area increased by 67 square units. Find the dimensions of the rectangle. So first let us consider, let length be x, length is x units and breadth is y units. Okay, then area of rectangle will be, then area of rectangle is x y square units. Okay, now what is the first case? If length is reduced by 5 units, length is x minus 5 because it is reduced, and breadth is increased by 3 units, y plus 3, and the area gets reduced by 9 units. Area is xy, it is reduced by 9 units, that's why minus y. So now multiply this, x into y is xy, okay, plus 3 into x is plus 3x, minus 5y minus 15 is equals to xy minus 9. So both the sides xy gets cancelled, you are left out with 3x minus 5y minus 15 plus 9 is equals to 0. From that 3x minus 5y minus 6 is equals to 0. This is first equation. Okay. Now what is the second condition? If the length is increased by 3 units, if x plus 3 is into breadth is increased by 2 units, the area also increased by 67 units. Okay. So from this again multiply, x into y is xy plus 2 into x is 2x plus 3y plus 6 is equals to xy plus 67. xy gets cancelled, you are left out with 2x plus 3y minus 61 is equals to 0. Okay, this is the second equation. Now what we have to apply? Cross multiplication method by cross multiplication method. Okay, so what is the rule here? 2 3 2 1, sorry 2 3 1 2. So x y 1. So 2 is nothing but minus 5 plus 3, minus 5 plus 3, minus 5 plus 3, and 3 is nothing but minus 6, minus 61, 1 is nothing but 3 and 2. Okay, then we will get x by, these two should be multiplied, that is minus 5 into minus 61 minus 3 into plus 3 into minus 6 is equals to y by minus 6 into 2 minus 61 into 3 is equals to 1 by 3 into 3 minus 2 into 5. Okay, so then it will become x by 61 5s will become 1 5 5 5 6 30 plus 3 not 5 plus 6 3 is 18 is equals to y by minus 12 plus 61 3 is 3 1s 3 3 6 is 18 183 is equals to 1 by 9 plus 10 3 3 is 9 minus into minus plus 10. So x by this will become 305 plus 18 is nothing but 323 is equals to y by 183 minus 12 will give you 171 is equals to 1 by 19. Now from that x value will be x by 323 by is equals to 1 by 19. From that x is equals to 323 by 19, which is nothing but 17 units. And from that y value will be y by 171 is equals to 1 by 19, that is equals to 1 by 117 by 19, which is equals to 9 units. So therefore the length of the rectangle is x is equals to 17 units and breadth of the rectangle, that is y is equals to 9 units. Okay, so these are the dimensions of the rectangle.